How to gain weight fast. Hey everyone! First of all, a big thank you for all the love and support on my How to Lose Weight video. Many of you requested a video on how to gain weight, so here I am to fulfill your request. If you're struggling to gain weight in a healthy way, this video is for you. Also, many of you asked in my weight loss video whether I do proper research. So let me assure you that all the tips I share come from professional dietitians and experts. Now, let's get started. In a world where weight loss is often the focus, many women struggle with the opposite challenge, gaining healthy weight. Whether you're naturally thin, recovering from an illness, or simply want to build a stronger, more curvy physique, this journey is about more than just numbers on a scale. It's about feeling strong, confident, and energized. Changing your eating habits. Consume an additional 500 calories per day. It is generally safe to gain 1 to 2 pounds per week. To reach this goal, add an extra 500 calories to your diet every day. The healthiest way to do this is to eat more nutrient-dense foods. To keep track of what you're eating, use a health app. Write down everything you eat and how much exercise you do. Once a week, record your weight. Talk with your doctor or a registered dietitian to determine your ideal weight. You can also calculate your healthy weight with a body mass index (BMI) calculator. For most people, a healthy BMI falls between 18.5 and 24.9. Increase your portion size. Eat a second helping of food or add more food to your plate when you begin. If you're finding it hard to eat a larger meal, avoid drinking too many fluids beforehand so that you have more of an appetite at mealtime. If eating a double portion is too much, try increasing the portion over time. Start with an extra scoop of rice or add a sweet potato on the side. As time goes on, slowly add more food to your meal. Eat several small meals if you don't like larger meals. For some people, eating larger portion sizes may not be an appealing option. Instead of increasing portion sizes, try to eat 6 smaller meals throughout the day. These meals can include breakfast, lunch, dinner, and 3 snacks. As a general rule, eat once every 3 to 4 hours pass while awake. Avoid drinking 30 minutes before a meal. Liquids can fill you up, making it harder for you to finish a full meal. Wait until after you have finished eating to get a drink. Indulge in a snack before bed to keep your body fueled overnight. Opt for nutritious options like a banana with almond butter, oatmeal, yogurt, or fruit. If you enjoy dessert, save it for bedtime, have a bowl of fruit, some ice cream, or a few pieces of chocolate in moderation. For a savory option, try cheese and crackers or a small bowl of pasta. Adding some protein, like Greek yogurt or nuts, can also support muscle recovery while you sleep. Stimulate your appetite before meals with simple tricks to help you eat more. Taking a short walk can make you feel hungrier, while cooking meals you genuinely enjoy encourages you to finish your plate. Trying new recipes can make eating more exciting, and creating a calm, comfortable atmosphere helps you focus on your meal without distractions. Choosing the right foods and drinks. Consume high-calorie, nutrient-dense foods instead of empty-calorie processed meals. Whole grains like whole wheat bread, bran muffins, and pumpernickel are great choices. Opt for starchy fruits like bananas, pineapples, raisins, dried fruit, and avocados, as they provide more calories than water-rich fruits. Starchy vegetables such as peas, corn, potatoes, and winter squash are also excellent options. For dairy, choose whole milk, cheese, and yogurt to add healthy fats and protein to your diet. Aim for at least 3 food groups in every meal or snack to make your diet more balanced and calorie-dense. Instead of eating just toast, top it with peanut butter and banana or sliced avocado with a glass of kefir. If you enjoy eggs in the morning, scramble them with peppers and sausage. For a simple yet nutritious snack, add granola and berries to your yogurt. Mixing different food groups makes meals more satisfying and helps you eat more naturally. If solid meals feel challenging, try drinking your calories instead. Smoothies made with whole fruits, vegetables, and yogurt are a great way to pack in nutrients. Opt for whole fruit smoothies over juice, as they retain more fiber. Milk, protein shakes, and homemade milkshakes can also help you consume more calories with less effort. Boost your calorie intake by adding nutritious ingredients to your meals without making them feel too heavy. Stir powdered milk into beverages, soups, stews, and sauces for extra protein and nutrients. Sprinkle nuts over salads or cereals, and mix ground flaxseed into smoothies or oatmeal. Add cheese to casseroles, soups, scrambled eggs, and sandwiches for a richer taste. Enhance toast, crackers or rolls with butter, nut butter, or cream cheese for extra flavor and calories. Cooking with oil and butter adds calories to your meals without increasing portion size. Healthy fats like olive oil, 119 calories per tablespoon, and canola oil, 120 calories per tablespoon, provide essential nutrients. Coconut oil, 117 calories per tablespoon, offers a rich flavor, while butter, 102 calories per tablespoon, enhances taste and texture. Using these fats can make meals more satisfying and calorie-dense. If you want to build muscle, increasing your protein intake is essential. Muscle is denser than fat, so gaining muscle helps you add weight in a healthy way. Certain medical conditions and medications can make it difficult to gain weight. If you're struggling, work on managing your condition with proper treatment. Consult a doctor to explore the best solutions for you. If you've lost a significant amount of weight without explanation, seek medical advice to rule out underlying issues like thyroid disorders, digestive problems, hormonal imbalances, diabetes, or chronic infections. A registered dietitian can help you gain weight in a balanced, sustainable way by designing a personalized meal plan. They can also offer tips on exercise and ways to boost your appetite. Ask your doctor for a referral to find the right dietitian for you. That's it for today's video. I hope these tips help you gain weight in a healthy way. Remember, consistency is key, and always listen to your body. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe to my channel for more informative content. Also, let me know in the comments if you have any questions or video requests. I love hearing from you all. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Inshallah. Take care, bye.